Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching Tayo Money. Right here in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you earn gift card for yourself just by performing simple tasks online, guys. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, all you need to do is just subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more latest content, guys. So I'll provide the link to this in the description box of this video and as well my referral code. So you just go to the description box and you get started, guys. And if you enjoy this video, please drop a nice comment and like the video, guys. And if you have any question, let me know in the comment section as well, guys. With all that being said, guys, let's go straight into the video. So guys, right here, this is the homepage of this app I want to disclose to you guys. It has the website version and as well the app version, but basically I decided to use the app version because it's super fast and effective, guys. So here, once you are here, all you need to do is just click where it says continue with email. So clicking where it says continue with email, you click on where it says sign up because you're coming for the first time. So you just have to input your email address right here, your password. As for this coupon code, you ignore it. So for this place which says referral code, you copy my referral code in the description box of this video and you paste here for you to sign up successfully, and you click on agree to terms and conditions to pause. Then click on sign up and your account will be signed up successfully. That is the first way to sign up here. Another way to sign up is by clicking where it says continue with Google. Once you click on the link in the description box of the video, it will bring you to the app site. You just have to click on continue with Google. Once you click on continue with Google, you choose the Google account you want to sign in with or sign up with. You just accept and your account will be logged in successfully, guys. So let me log in my own account by clicking on continue with Google, and once I do that, I will show you guys how you're going to earn some gift card with this Pulse app effectively. So once you have signed up successfully, you're going to be given $1 as sign up bonus. You can see mine. I have $1.276 currently on my balance, guys. And one amazing thing here on this app is that once you have signed up, you choose how you want to earn. During the registration process, choose whether you want to earn by surveys or playing mobile games. So as for me, I want to earn by what? Carrying out surveys. You can decide to choose that you want to earn by playing mobile games. As for me, I choose by carrying out surveys to earn, guys. So and the minimum withdrawal here on this app is just $5. So once you have attain the minimum amount of $5, you can see by progress going there. Once you have attained up to $5 here on this app, you're going to be paid to your account. It's super easy and no stress. So I've performed my surveys for today, and currently there's no survey available for me to perform right now. You just have to sign up, verify your email, and once there is any survey or mobile game available for you to carry any tax, it will be shown right here. You carry it out and your reward will be added to your balance, guys. So clicking on offers right here is where you're gonna see other games where you play and earn. This is just the page where you see offers or tax to carry out. For this one, you can carry out tax to earn $1 to $100. You can see different tax to carry out here and earn, guys. So another one here, you can see, you can just click where it says earn right here. It's absolutely for free. All you need to do is just download this particular app. You should just play and earn. You can see the earning record right here. If you complete hidden level 1, you get $0.01 and all of that, depending on the level. So you just carry out those tasks and you earn massively here on this app. It's absolutely for free. You don't need to deposit any single dime. As for this other one, the Blast Friends, you can click on earn right here. You play and earn, and your reward will be added to your balance here real quick. So it's stress free and it's effective. So another one, right, is by clicking where it says reward. So clicking on rewards, you can, if you have 3 spin, you click where it says spin and your spin will be effective and you'll be rewarded gems here on this app, guys. So that is how it works. So simple and straightforward. So clicking on the quest right here is where you see your quest, like you claim your reward for quest carried out, guys. On the community right here is another way. This right here is where you gonna, it's another way you earn just by copying your referral link. You just click there, you copy your referral link and see it right there. So you share to your family and friends on WhatsApp on WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram. And once they register using your link, you're going to be earning $3 for inviting them to this app, guys. So that is how it works. So simple and straightforward. On the leaderboard here, you can see the top earners here on this app, guys. So all you need to do is just click on the link on the description box of the video and sign up an account for yourself and start any free gift card for yourself. So clicking on me right here is where you're going to see all your profile and all of that. You can see currently the cash I have $1.2 currently on my balance, and Theta Gems I got as reward right there. So what you need to do, just sign up an account and boom, you are good to go, guys. So clicking on the achievements here is where you're going to see all your achievements, whether you're a quest is or you're an influencer or human ATM or survey star, lucky spinner or elite gamer. It depends on how you have carried out tasks here on this app that you get rewarded, guys. So clicking on this edit, you can try edit to put your picture right here on the app. You can edit to put your name and all of that. If you have a code to redeem, gifts, you can just input the code right there and click on redeem, and the redeem will be successful. Clicking on the settings right here, you can just adjust some settings on your account, all of that, and you can do one or two stuff on the account setting. You can log out if you want, you can delete your account if you want, guys. So that is how the app works. So simple and straightforward. And once you have and you want to withdraw, once you have attained you have attained up to $5, you just have to click where this profile right there. You can see your balance right there. Okay, the reward I get, how I earn right here, I got from gift $1.03, by surveys I got $2.24 for performing surveys, guys. So what you need to do, once you have attained up to $5, you can just click on request payment and withdraw your earnings. So you can see my earning history, welcome bonus, which I told you once you have registered here successfully, be given $1 as sign up bonus. I updated my profile, I was rewarded $0.20. Updated my profile $0.02 and all of that, guys. So to withdraw, just click on where it says withdraw. So clicking on withdraw right there, there are different payment methods depending on your country, guys. So if you are in, for instance, this one selected, if you're in Poland, you can get paid by Bitcoin, PayPal, and by virtual gift card you can pay by the Visa, Comet VPN, Razor Gold, Free Fire, PUBG. Depending on your country, you just click right here and you select your country, and the payment method will be reflected effectively, guys. So that is how it works. So take for instance, you are in Rwanda, you can see the payment method, different payment. So you just have to select the one you want. You can decide if you want to be paid with gift card, you just select the gift card, whether it's Razor Gold or Visa. And once you select that, your reward will be sent to you to your email effectively. If it's Bitcoin, you just select Bitcoin. You can see, you just select Bitcoin, and you can see my balance currently and the withdrawal fee, all of that. So you just enter, you add your Bitcoin address and place your withdrawal effectively. So it depends on your country. You just select your country and all the withdrawal method will be shown effectively. So guys, if you enjoy the content of this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest content, guys. Thank you all guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. If you have any question, you let me know in the comment section, guys. I'm here for you guys.